Hello guys, I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to set up the helmet mount. So I ordered this from Amazon. It's around something around 399 or something. I'm not sure about the price, but it looks good in quality. Let me check. Yeah, shows 699 here. Okay, so I ordered and I got it within 4 to 5 hours. It got delivered to my place. So I'm going to just remove the contents and show you what are the contents of this, and I'll also show you how to fix this. So this is the main unit, this is the mobile holder. These are the screws you get. So this has two points where you can connect. Either it fits here or you can fix it here. So mobile will be here if you're fixing it in front ways. For example, this is my helmet, and phone will be this way vertical, and if you fix it, this will be horizontal. If you're fixing it from here, you can fix it either ways. So I'm just going to show you how to install this. So first of all, if you have a helmet like this is a LS2 Rookie LS2 helmet. So you need to actually remove this, because this will go above this and the belts will be fixed through this. So we cannot tighten through this will get bent. So we have to remove this. Just let me put it this way. This is removable. Many helmets don't have this, so I'm not sure how we are going to. This is a very good innovative thing given here for helmet mount. There are other helmet mounts where you can fix it on the top of the helmet here, right here. So it fixes here the camera, GoPro, and also mobile mount. I'm not sure about mobile mount. I've seen GoPro mount, action camera fixed here. So this will be fixed here. So all you need to do is just fix it, and there are clips here to fix. I'll just do that and show you. I'll pause the video. So I've just fixed the unit. The main unit is fixed. I've fixed the belts through this. Just turn on the light. So the belt will be fixed through the so the belt will be fixed with the clip here below. Just lock the clips and it will be fixed. It's you can tighten it. This is firm. It will not shake much. You can tighten the grip. It's good quality product. Let me just fix this thing and I'll show you how to do that. So I've just installed this unit. So this will be fixed here, and you have to just tighten the grip. The mobile will be fixed here, horizontal ways. So there you go. You can see how it's neatly fixed here. So as you can see, I have fixed the mobile, and this is how it looks. You can do motor vlogging with this, the iPhone or any Android phone, and you have to check the stability settings in the camera when you're doing a video recording, because you might get shaky pictures. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Please comment and like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. I'll be back again with yet another video. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.